Today, we are going to check out another retail brand that's offering coffee, and it is none other than Muji. For those that do not know Muji, Muji is from Japan, and it's one of my favorite brands actually. At first, if you look at the brand, they look quite pricey, expensive, posh, but once you get in, not that bad really. They sell everything from pens to apparels, clothing, and my favorite product from Muji is actually their ball pen. But today, we're going to check out their coffee shop. Now, this has been the trend these days to have a coffee shop within famous retail brands like H&M, Muji, and also we have like the luxury brands that are also offering coffee shops now. You have the Dior, Louis Vuitton, and who knows, maybe soon Chanel. So let's go and find out what the coffee tastes like, what are the prices, and of course, let us see what the ambience is like. So come with me and join me on this tour. If you haven't yet been to Bangkok, this is a fashion island. It's not an island, it's just pure fashion. And all the famous brands are here: Uniqlo, H&M, VNC, Chaps. Those are all local brands in Thailand. So you can find almost everything here, and I love shopping here. Now, of course, whenever you're shopping, you don't always go to that famous coffee shop. You should try out other coffee shops as well. And today, it is Muji. Here we are. We're here at their coffee station at Muji. And let's take a look at what they have. They're quite basic, really. All the classic: espresso, Americano, cappuccino, cafe latte, mocha, chocolate. And because this is from Japan, absolutely, they should have a matcha latte. Let's take a look at their prices. Hot and cold, the prices are the same. 60 baht for an espresso shot, that's about less than $2 US. Americano hot and cold, 65. So I would say it's between 1.8 US to about $2 US. Slightly over $2 US, so 70 Thai baht. Those prices are absolutely reasonable. You don't need to go so far, but how do they taste like? So I have to ask my videographer here, what do you think I should try?
So definitely the Americano, because I tried it last time.
I heard that Americano is popular for Muji.
It's very popular. I mean, because like they use pretty good coffee beans,
right?
And it's for this price, it tastes amazing.
Okay, why don't I try 3 drinks? I will try the Americano.
Yeah.
Their latte, just so that I could taste the coffee with the milk, and a matcha latte. This time I'm going to order everything ice because it's quite hot these days, okay? So Americano เย็น1 แล้วก็ latte เย็น1 one น้อย things a little bit less sweet, and then I would like to try their matcha latte, but this time I'll have the matcha latte in hot ร้อน matcha latte ร้อนนะคะ ขอบคุณค่ะ So I have 3 drinks here, one iced Americano, iced latte, and hot matcha latte. Altogether is 210 Thai baht, which is roughly about $6. In some shops, that's only 1 drink. So now it's a moment of truth. Well, let me try. I'm going to try the latte, and maybe my videographer can try the Americano. Or my cameraman. Okay, so we've been taste testing this, and there was some technical issue, and they weren't captured on camera. But
Yep.
Jay, my cameraman, and I have been enjoying this, and we'll just give you now a brief overview of what we think. I'll start with the matcha latte. The matcha latte is a little bit sweet on my part here, because I think that the matcha is pre-mixed, and then all they did was to put the matcha, the pre-mixed matcha, in the drink, and then they steamed the milk, and they came up with this. It's not too bad, but it's not something that I would do or have on a regular basis. Now, I also tried the Americano, and I find that it is quite good. I must say, the quality of the coffee is good. The taste of the coffee is just right. You know, I prefer my coffee to be on the smoky side, so I think that this is perfect. The price is very reasonable. It's 60 Thai baht, which is less than $2. And the latte, the only downside of this latte for me is that it has too much milk. The taste of the coffee is there, but still this is so much better than other popular brands out there that are charging 3 times the price. So this is about $2 again. Very reasonable. The taste is acceptable. I give the Americano a very big thumbs up. I give the latte a thumbs up. The matcha latte also a thumbs up. So really, if you do have a chance to come to Muji, this is a good option for you to find the best tasting coffee at a reasonable price. Now, over to you. What do you think?
Yeah, unfortunately, I've only tried the Americano.
I'm not giving him this.
Latte. She's very stingy with her matcha. But as a person who loves coffee, and specifically strong coffee, I really enjoyed the Americano because it's strong, but it's not like those burnt tastes where it's like just pure bitterness.
Yeah.
But you can actually taste a little bit of the coffee bean.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
But I really enjoyed this, especially for the price. It's only 60 baht.
Yeah.
Very affordable, especially for me because
As a student.
I'm a student. Yeah, exactly. So like 60 baht is a really good price, and for this quality, I'm willing to come and buy it more often. And moving on to the latte. For the latte, I would say I agree with you. It's a bit milky. If you haven't seen our previous video on the Dunkin' Donuts versus the Starbucks, make sure to check it out. But as I said in the previous video as well, I don't like coffee that has too much milk, and this had a little bit too much milk. But the good thing is I can still taste the coffee. I mean, compared to Starbucks. And,
Yeah. Oops.
Yep. I said it. But I mean, even though for me, if I don't really like it, I'm sure a lot of the Thais, specifically the Thais, they love it. They love when it comes to latte, they love having it milky.
Yeah.
But I suggest, like, if you really want to enjoy a real latte, you should have a balance between milk and coffee, as
my recipes would tell you.
Exactly.
Another Chao tour, which is getting more popular these days because there's a lot of brands that are now adding coffee to their offerings. Well, anyway, if you have any suggestions in the future for us to do a Chao tour video for us to try and let you know what we think, do let us know in the comment below. Now, before we say goodbye, don't forget to click that subscribe button, also that notification bell, and if you can, give us your feedback, share this video to as many people as possible so they too can know what kind of coffee is on offer at Muji. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.